Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is LOTOS Arc Plasma Cutter. If you want high-frequency no-touch pilot arc starting, with 50 amp output feature plasma cutter, then LOTOS LTP 5000D is perfect purchase for you. It provides enough power to cut 5 by 8 inch steel. It's also built to run on either 120 or 240 volt power and only weighs 26 pounds. It works well under both 110 by 220 voltage, but you need a pigtail adapter to use it in 115 volt. It also has built-in male adapter for you to plug in your air hose from compressor. Notice you must have an air compressor to provide the air that will be turned to plasma. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and aluminum. Efficiently cuts the rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. For details, let's watch more. Our second best plasma cutter under $500 is WARFOX Plasma Cutter. While it looks smaller and lighter than other plasma cutters out there, the WARFOX Portable DC Inverter Plasma Cutter cutting machine dual voltage 110 volts to 220 volts cut 50 cuts well than many of them. 60% duty cycle in 50 amps, 100% duty cycle in 40 amps under 240V, half-inch max cutting thickness, 10 mm quality cutting thickness in 240V 65 psi 50A, under 120 volts, it is 35 amps. Quality cutting thickness is 8 mm, severance cutting thickness is 12 mm. Machine with current display, also with air post-time adjust function. The adjustment range is 2 to 20 seconds. This function allows user adjust the time for post air to cool torch head effectively provide cooling, and extend the working life of consumables. Accessories come with machine, 4M PT31 cutting torch, earth clamp with 2.5M cable, 5 pieces tips, 5 pieces electrodes, 2 meters air hose, 4 pieces hose clamp, 1 conversion wire adapter, 1 manual. Following accessories are not included in package, they are fixed at machine. Third pick in our list is THULIUM Plasma Cutter. For a cost-effective plasma cutter that can do small jobs perfectly well, you should consider the THULIUM Plasma Cutter. It is an excellent choice for cutting alloy steel, stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, copper, and more. This plasma cutter is nice and compact, easy to use. Consumables are easy to find. Just read the manual and it will identify type and size. Cuts are precise. Widely used for cutting stainless steel, mild steel, copper and other metal materials. Suitable for a wide range of applications including sheet metal fabrication, light industrial use, automotive, ducting work, repair and maintenance services. Incorporates non-touch pilot arc cutting processes. Cutting effect is very ideal and can finish the work regardless if the material is very rough, rusty, greasy, dirty, spray painted, etc. Meanwhile, longer consumable life. Equipped with high frequency, more easier to ARC start. Efficiently cuts the rough, painted, and rusty surfaces. With 50A heavy-duty plug adapter, auto voltage adapts to 110V to 220V input power. Number 4 in our side is REBOOT Cut 50 Plasma Cutter. If you need a plasma cutter under $500 that looks and feels like the most expensive brands, you should consider the Plasma Cutter's 50A dual voltage, REBOOT Cut 50 Air Plasma Cutting Machine. This cutter works as designed and as described. I found cutting quality to be better if the machine is used with 220 volts current. Arc start is good. Consumables are readily available. Remove the mounting ring from the top of the regulator and install the regulator to the mounting bracket and reattach with the ring. This cutting machine available for cutting most metals, stainless steel, alloy, aluminum, mild steel, carbon steel, widely used for automotive, ducting work, repair maintenance, metal processing, manufacture. This RBC 5000D plasma cutting machine works well with a generator, but we suggest a 5000 watts above generator and 30A breaker needed for 220 volts, 50A breaker for 110 volts. Release the gas valve, modulate the pressure of the gas to stipulated pressure and press the button. The gas pressure is 4 times normal atmospheric pressure. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best plasma cutter under $500 list is Welder Plasma Cutter. With 55 amp output power, the inexpensive Welder Cut 55 DS plasma cutter fits between the numerous 50 and 60 amp plasma cutters on the market. This machine can cut 1x2-inch steel plate. Outstanding product for the money. An excellent little plasma cutter for a great price. It's able to choose the post-flow time after cutting, rather than 20s automatically shut off. 5s or 10s is available to cool cutting consumables. The high-frequency plasma cuts thicker materials than standard DC plasma cutters. Cuts faster with less distortion in the workpiece. It is easy to ignite arc by adopting HF arc ignition. It adopts IGBT inverter technology, features with current control, high quality and stable performance, suitable to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, etc. It allows the machine to run directly on 110V 50 to 60 Hz power, or on 220V 50/60ths of a Hz with the use of a power adapter. Suitable home DIY and industrial projects. With the protection of the electric circuit against overcurrents, over voltages and low voltages, the cutting welder works in a more safer and professional way. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.